Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I am your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today we'll be reading from Take a Hike by Emily Skwish, illustrated by Sesame Workshop. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. What should we do today? Asked Ernie. Oh, why don't you all take a hike? Says Oscar. Zoe says yes. Let's take a nature hike. Eureka. Grover wonders if they should hike in the forest or on a farm. We could take a nature hike right here on Sesame Street, says Zoe. Aw, who needs nature? Growls Oscar. Go on, scram.
Excuse me?
How will we find nature on Sesame Street? Asked Grover. Look at the ivy on these doors, says Ernie. It's growing way up to the sky. There's something else in the sky, says Bert. It's Bernice.
Oh my gosh!
City animals like Bernice are right at home on Sesame Street, says Bert. Grover smiles. I see another bird who is right at home on Sesame Street. Say cheese. Sesame Street may not be a forest, says Grover, but it has beautiful trees. Look over here, says Bert. In the city, we can grow flowers in pots. Ernie wants to pick the pretty flowers, but instead, he takes a great big sniff and says, I'll leave them for everyone to enjoy, even the butterflies. These city-grown tomatoes look mighty tasty, says Cookie Monster. Nom nom nom. Worms help make the soil healthy for plants to grow, says Big Bird. That worm is our friend Slimy, says Zoe. I thought I told you to take a hike, says Oscar. We did, says Zoe. We followed nature up and down Sesame Street, right back here, to you. The end. And that was Take a Hike by Emily Skwish, illustrated by Sesame Workshop. And as always, thank you all a million times over for tuning in, liking, subscribing, sharing, all the above. And until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you. Bye.